Hi, everybody. My name is Dr. Eddie Ojukoya, and it's wonderful to have you on my channel. Today, we're just going to be talking about entrepreneurship and education. And please feel free to check us out on doctors.com. This is where I blog every single week. I send out my blog relating to things that I really find very passionate. I'm very passionate about. I blog about things like entrepreneurship, education, how training can help people. So those are the kind of things that I talk about. And I hope that you will find this particular very interesting and you will stop by. I'm just starting out on this one. So any help would be greatly appreciated. And some of the blogs I've been blogging for several years now, and on there you can see I write about innovation. I try to motivate people, and especially my students as well. So you can see I've been doing a lot of training in different countries, but most importantly, though, I write about financial fitness, entrepreneurship. So feel free to drop in and find out exactly what it is that I am blogging about. And if by any chance you have any ideas or something else you want me to write about, thank you very much for stopping by, and I look forward to seeing you again soon. Thank you.